Gotta go out the front, Ty.
Front?
Yeah, bag's all locked in front.
Oh. Okay. Gonna go on a nature walk to get something for science extra credit. Got snow pants, long socks, and snow boots on. Let's see. Huh? I better be careful, don't want to get my boots too wet. Who's whistling? Oh. This should make it easier. Already got quite a bit of snow in them. Ow. Hold on. Not that hard, but I already got a lot of snow in my boots. Oh no, I dropped one of my boots. Oh, ouch! Oh! Just got snow in my boots, that's all. Just have to wait for it to melt. Oh! Ow, that wasn't too comfortable. Oh.
Hey, don't trail snow through the house, Ty.
Don't! Sorry.
Did you really just take your boot off?
When I had to,
Boots off right here.
got snow in them.
Well, where's the other boot?
One of them got lost in the snow. I'll have to put my boot back in.
Where's your boot is lost in the snow?
Yeah.
What do you mean, it's outside now?
Yeah.
Where did you lose it in the snow?
Not too far from here.
Wait a minute.
I got snow in my boots.
Tyler, where's
You took your boot off outside?
Not on purpose. I can still get it though. Oops.
How are you gonna get it if you don't have boots on to get it?
I still have one boot on. Though hopping on one foot looks kind of stupid, but I have.
Oh, I think I see the string right there.
Hold on.
Oh, I got snow in the boot, but at least I didn't get snow in the sock. Don't worry, I'll try again.
The trail.
Don't worry, I left a trail. It'll be. Oh, oops. Sorry. Okay. I hope I can still go.
Yeah, probably wasn't the. Where are you planning on going exactly? Into the woods?
Yes, so I could look for something.
What are you looking for?
Something for extra credit in science.
Oh.
Next time, stop to grab your boot. Don't finish walking all the way in without it.
Yeah.
I hope I can still go despite that.
Wait a minute, Tyler. Is your sock all wet? You need to put a dry sock on before you go outside.
Dry sock?
Yes, dude. You won't want to have.
I'll need another long pair of socks then.
Yep. Yeah, you don't want to keep wet socks against your toes.
And these are long socks, really long. I had really long socks on. I hope you can find another pair of long socks.
Oh, we gotta get out of the way. Well, Tyler, are they both wet? Or just one pair, because you walked...
They're both a little wet.
Oh, well...
Don't worry, I'm trying again. Sorry for tracking snow.
I almost slipped.
Sorry.
It's okay, I forgive you. It's fine. Well, Tyler, I don't think you have any more long socks to wear. Per se. Let me think about this. Where did your socks go for your skiing things? You know those big long gray ones with the orange letters on them?
I think I might have lost those for now. Do you have another pair of long socks?
Oh, wait a minute, Tyler. They were around here somewhere, but where did you... figure out. Not in your drawer? Here, Ty. Got them.
Okay.
Yeah, put these big socks on. Now, what's your strategy to do so you don't get snow out here?
Boots again. Follow the trail I made.
Here's your socks.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Let's see. Just gotta put the socks
They're
on.
gonna get wet.
Are these socks even longer than the last one I put on?
I don't know. They're your winter those for your outside activity socks. So go ahead and put those on and see what happens.
It's not easy to put these long socks on.
No, you're right. It's not, but it's good to have them on, right?
Yeah. That way, if snow gets in your boots, they at least don't get in your feet.
That's right.
Sorry, I just have to get my socks, my new socks on.
No big deal. It's fine.
No, I mean to whoever's viewing this video.
Did you start your video yet?
I already did.
Oh, do you have it on pause?
No.
You're doing
Why do I want to pause it?
Because they don't want to see you changing your talking on color stuff, do they? You should just start over.
Well, yeah, you're getting my socks on so I can be all ready for the trip I'm about to go on. The winter trip, the nature trip.
Why don't you just start over, Ty?
Oh, I'm about to.
Just start it over, Tommy.
I'm about to get my boots on as soon as I get the snow in it out. But it better land on the carpet.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Some of it missed the carpet, but I got most of it on the carpet. You had to get the snow out, sorry. Okay. What? Better do that, yeah. Just have to get my gloves on. One of the gloves are on. Two of the gloves are on. Now we just have to go get my backup. Gotta get a mini room tour. Put it in the pockets. One of my coat pockets, one in the front. Okay. Here I go again.
Does your pocket zip, Velcro shut or something so you don't lose your backup there, buddy? Where you got it?
I got it here.
Okay, why don't you put it in a pocket that it will not fall out of?
Oh.
Front pockets. You see those ones right in front of you? Or zip it in your leg.
Or do you need it while you're out there?
I just thought in case of you had an emergency and had to
Or
call
I
us.
can see him from here.
All right.
Leave your phone on the piano.
I can get back. Not gonna get snow in my boots again. Having some difficulty keeping my snow pants pulled up, I think, but it's holding it like this seems to be working. Just follow the trail I made. You know, I seem to have made my... Oh yeah, better go get those. Hey, Mom! It'll probably be wise to do this, but so I don't get snow in my boots again. Real quick, Mom. Can you make sure my boots are tied so I don't get snow in them again?
Why don't you tie them?
Well, I'm holding the camera and I got gloves on. Thanks.
Yeah, they aren't
Don't want to get snow in my boots again.
really tied very well. Let's see.
Oops. Thanks.
Let's see. Is the other one tight? No.
I didn't really try to tie them before I put my gloves on.
Yeah, next time, better planning. But that's okay. That's how you learn, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Snow's just frozen water, isn't it? Or frozen rain?
Pretty much.
Just about.
Maybe when you get back, I'll see if you want to go up to the store and get some bread and milk or something.
I could go do that real quick,
Well,
but
you don't have to do it. Do what you need to do first. It's not an emergency. Okay? It's okay. It's fine.
don't you want it?
No, but go ahead and do what you gotta do.
All right. All right. Think I'm ready now. Sorry about all those delays. Don't want to get... You don't want me to have to come back when I'm all in the forest, right? That probably wouldn't be pleasant either. Okay, so just follow the trail I made during my first attempt. And well, I guess technically my second attempt, before I realized I should probably get my snow boots tied. Now, once the trail from my first attempt ends, it'll get harder, but that should be fine. These boots aren't very high, but I should be fine. Okay. Follow the trail that man made, and I should be able to make it to the forest. I'm one of the few people out here, it seems. Not many go out on a day like this. When it's as snowy as this. But I don't feel one bit cold. I feel fine. One of those snow plows, I'm thinking. Okay. Okay. Perfect. I see an entry. Okay. Oh! Awfully deep here. I don't know if there's a sheet of ice under here. Ooh, don't want to fall. It wouldn't be certain death, but it'd be pretty cold. Oh. Getting snow dumped on my camera. Nature doesn't have much respect for people with cameras, at least not during the winter times. Oh, found a clearing. Now what's this? Sorry, the stick won't be very impressive for my... could this be an actual fossil? Perfect. Let's see. Oh no, is this rock attached to the ground? Oops, sorry. I think